Chandigarh, where every road has its own color each season. A place where every building has its own unique architecture, where people come to chase their dreams, which has top educational institutes. It is also a tourist hub, which has nature's most unique wonders that supports its biodiversity. A city well planned for housing, tourism, education, employment, health, and wellness. The city was founded by Charles Edward Jenneret, known as Le Corbusier, was a Swiss-French architect who was also a designer, painter, urban planner, writer, and one of the pioneers of what is now regarded as modern architecture in Chandigarh and around the world. Le Corbusier was a township planner in Chandigarh and worked on projects such as Punjab University, housing, and schools. All these were constructed and assisted by Le Corbusier's cousin, Pere Jenneret. There are 17 sites of architectural work by Le Corbusier in the capital complex Chandigarh that comes under World Heritage List of UNESCO. The capital complex Chandigarh symbolizes the modern and urban compositions of monumental architecture, innovations in urban planning with advancement in building materials and technology, geometric hill, tower of shadows. The monument, open hand, symbolizes peace and reconciliation. The title City Beautiful is all about. Its construction material is completely metal, supported by a wrought iron pole from its concrete base. It is meant to rotate with the direction of wind. It stands atop at a height of 26 meters from its base. It spans 6 meters roughly and has height of 2 building floors, 22 feet approximately. There is an open auditorium at its base of 108 square meters with the podium for speaker and sitting stairs for the audience. The most unique feature of this open auditorium is it requires no mic or speaker. Therefore, without the use of speakers, the audience can clearly listen to the speaker from the podium. The voice reaches every molecule in the space loud and clear without an echo. A symbol of peace, it looks like a flying bird, where its depiction is found in Sector 17 Market Complex, which is a fountain. With this, we wish Chandigarh administration to keep adding more unique architectural work to enhance the city beautiful surroundings and keep its legacy alive.